The dollar index is trying to fight back. Do you think it's a good time to buy US dollar this week? Let's find out. Okay, this is the dollar index. I said it a million times. It's very, very important. If you want to trade the Forex market, you need to understand what is the king of Forex doing. So this is just a daily phase too. What do I mean by that? You see, the selling is, we have a daily downtrend. Okay, this is just a pulling back. So lower high, lower low, lower high, big phase one. And now could be seeing a lower high around this 103 area and continue to sell lower. So I have no interest to buy the dollar right now. I'm just waiting for a good opportunity to sell the US dollar. Which one is the best pair that is on my list at the moment? It's only 3 of them. Aussie is not one of them because it's broken support and it could turn into resistance. Let me just get the monthly pivot. Yes, we could have a soft level through here. Maybe it's a bit of room. It's up to you. It's not top of my list. We could drop down a little bit lower, find support and go. It may break, it may not break. That's the thing. I don't want to trade a 50-50 cam around 67. Up to you. There's still a bit of room. If you're going to take a long, my suggestion is take some profit around the 67 area, and then up to you if you want to leave it, leave some running. But that's the. It's important that I found support around this 66 area, 0.66. Okay. Euro is on my list to buy against the US dollar because it's a flip side of dollar index, but it's still got a little bit of work to do. I like to see price find support around this area here. So the 108 area, if I can see good price action, find support, then yes, I will look to be a buyer of euro against the US dollar. Okay. British pound is on the list. Last week we have another interest rate rise. So you can see this is definitely stronger than any other currency. Although dollar was buying, we did see some buying on pound as well. Try to make a double top. So a corrective pattern. I like that. So as long as you found support above the 126 area, happy to be a buyer of the British pound. Okay, so keep an eye. British pound is top of my list to buy. Kiwi is not top of my list to buy. It's just not the right price action. Dollar Swiss is, I don't like the price action. Dollar CAD is another top of my list that I want to buy, but I need to see a little bit more retracement first. It's definitely one of the strongest currency, Canadian dollar. So you can see here still ranging. So dollar couldn't gain even though it's on the dollar index in phase 2. So a weak retracement around this 133 area. I'll look for good price action to sell the US dollar against the Canadian dollar. Okay, dollar yen, still seeing some weakness on yen. I did try to sell yen against the Australian dollar, wasn't the best combination. So where to from here on dollar yen? Could see a little bit higher, or could see a bit higher than that. So 145 area, and then we could see a reversal. Not going to buy yen, but another instrument, I already done a video why I want to buy gold, but I will briefly talk about what the plan of trading it is. You can see this is gold chart. We are trying to break this channel, but very, very weak. Could we break? Yeah, potentially. I think we could break, but where to? I think around the 1850 area, 1860 area would be the area that I would consider to start buying some. But definitely, if I'm not trading gold, I'll be buying some of the gold stock. If you'd like to find out more, I'll put a card above. You can see the video, or you can check out the video with the link in bio for my plan to make 200% return on gold investment. All right. So important to see if it stay above around this 1850 area. Okay. Silver is coming to a soft level 22 area. Let's see if it holds. It's too late for me to sell, maybe a bit too early to buy. So recap, the plan is I still want to be a dollar seller against the British pound, and Canadian dollar will be top of my list. Euro could be another option to sell the dollar with. Do you agree with my plan, or what is your trading plan for the week? Drop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys next week.